Hello, welcome back to the channel. As some of you may have seen recently in a short I put out, I've recently, well, last few months, got rid of the VFR800X Crossrunner. The main reason for this was it's my primary commute bike, and as I no longer commute since the beginning of this year, I've decided to get rid of it because I hadn't used it. So I sold it and I replaced it with a bike which I owned once before, loved, and actually it's the only bike I've ever owned I've regretted selling. So let me introduce you to my latest acquisition. Here we are, BMW K1300S. This one's on a 65 plate, so if you're not familiar with that, that was 2015 in the M Sport paint scheme. Came with the adjustable sports pegs, acro can, and for those of you that know, you'll notice that ring there is for the panniers, which was what I really wanted. Also, when I bought the bike, it came with the BMW phone mount. Unfortunately, the phone case that goes on here is too small for my phone, so I've changed it, and using a RAM mount I've attached the quad lock head, which is also chargeable. The bike, when I bought it in May, had done just under 5,000 miles on a 9-year-old bike, which I think you'll agree is hardly even running. I got this in May and I've been just getting back used to riding it, playing with it. A friend of mine rode it as well. She posted a few posts on her Instagram. CBARL8. Quite liked it, likes the speed, but not her cup of tea. That's fine. But it's one of my favourite bikes. Sports tourer. Got all the comfort of a touring bike, but a bit of poke. So what I'm going to do now, quickly run round with you on the bike of the mods that I've done since May. So starting at the front, I've added a screen protector for the headlight, changed the actual windscreen from the standard BMW one to a double bubble MRA. The indicators came with the standard orange lens with a clear bulb. Now what I've done is put the smoked lens with an orange bulb, R&G bar ends. The bike came with these very nice levers. Battery charging cable for my Optimate from Oxford. Tech spec tank grips and tank pad. These are lovely, really are nice and grippy. Once again, another Cool Covers seat cover. Not only do I find it gives extra ventilation, but it also gives a bit more sponginess to the seat. But the biggest change that I've done to the bike so far is I've changed the indicators on the rear. So the original indicators were incandescent, bulbous, great big things that look like they come from the 1980s. I changed those to 2012-ish BMW LED indicators, fitted a relay just inside so it works properly, and yeah, so far that's about it. So there you go, folks. The latest addition to the stable. And for those wondering, I've still got the GS 1250. But in the meantime, I'll speak to you soon. Ride safe, keep Bubba side down.